Next, anyone know him?
Julho.
Jude Law was Dr. Watson in Sherlock Holmes. Anyone know this woman? Very good, guys.
Kate
Yeah, Kate
Winslet.
Winslet, Titanic. Anyone know this woman? Yeah. Keira Knightley. Oh. Keira Knightley. Next.
Emma Watson.
Emma Watson, Emma Stone. Emma Watson. What's her name in Harry Potter?
Hermione.
Hermione, yeah, Hermione. Some people say Hermione, like Italians say Hermione. Yeah, Hermione. Anyone know this?
Christian Bale.
Very good, yeah. Usually people don't know. Yeah, Christian Bale, he won an Oscar, was also Batman some years ago. Next one, one of my favorite actors. Tom Hardy, very good, yeah, Tom Hardy. Next one, he won an Oscar.
Not teammate,
For-
but schoolmate.
No, not Tom Hardy, the next one. He won an Oscar for The King's Speech.
Colin
Colin Firth was also in Mamma Mia, Bridget Jones, okay. Next one,
Hugh Grant.
Hugh Grant, yeah, Notting Hill for Weddings and a Funeral. Next one, Emily Blunt, the new Mary Poppins. Okay. And two more. Eddie, you're very good, yeah. Eddie Redmayne, Fantastic Beasts, Theory of Everything. My favorite actor, Benedict Cumberbatch, Sherlock, Doctor Strange, Imitation Game. The next one, many people think is American, but he is English. Dr. House, yeah, Hugh Laurie. This one?
You?
Yeah, me, as a fox. Very famous, see, with a tail, famous, see? What does the fox say? Yeah, as a fox. I have 4 more, okay, so, we need